of copyright music. Hey guys, it's Camille and today I'm back with another video. Sorry that I look ugly in the beginning of this video because I am actually ugly. Like, I am suffering, really suffering. I am getting ready to go to LA because me and my friend, we're gonna go visit his friend. I don't even know his friend, but I'm trying to go out today, okay? I'm trying to enjoy my weekend. I had a stressful week, so let's go ahead and get all dolled up and pretty. I'm very limited on brushes to use because I washed my brushes not even an hour ago, and I'm using the clean ones, like some of the clean ones, because they're already dried. So hopefully this doesn't turn out to be a disaster. Benefits professional prime. Let me tell you the tea. I went to the DMV today. I was there to take my permit test. Worst experience of my life there. You know, I'm over here just like minding my own business, and this guy, he tells me like, oh, you can go to the side, because my mom's boyfriend was with me and he went to go get something in the car that we needed to like talk to the guy. So I stepped to the side and I'm listening to music, but it's not loud because, like, I don't know, whenever I'm in public besides school, I don't turn my music like all the way up. But you can obviously tell, like, I have AirPods in, like my hair's back and everything. So I'm over here, you know, minding my own business, living my best life. And this lady, so rude. I was standing to the side, like next to this other lady that was working, and she was so rude. Like, are you okay? Like, can you calm down, please? Also, I'm using Anastasia. It's like the stick one. I don't know, okay? Definitely not my color. Definitely not. Yeah, no. She literally knocks on the counter so loud, like, can you please calm down? Like, you're kind of annoying. She's all like, excuse me. And I'm like, I was being so nice today for no reason at all. But I was all like, yes. And she was all like, do you need help with something? And I'm all like, oh no, like, sorry, I'm just like stepping to the side. I'm waiting for my stepdad. And then she just looks at me funny. And I just, like, that should have already told me, like, okay, you're not gonna pass your permit test, because I didn't. Not really mad about it though. I saw it coming. I was like, Camille, you really think you about to pass this freaking test? Because you're not. Like, seriously not ready. Like, I wasn't mentally prepared at all. I'm waiting, and I didn't know I had to bring my glasses because my left eye, she's having trouble. Like, she's actually blind. I can't see anything out of my left eye. So, they call my number up or whatever, and I'm going over there, like 10 minutes pass by, and then I just kind of got triggered how, like, my eyesight is really, like, bad. Foundation is definitely not my color. I need to use a lot of concealer today. He's all like, okay, so if you pass your permit test, you're gonna need to have your glasses with you. And I'm all like, okay. I have to, like, go through the stress of telling my stepdad that, hey dude, I really need my glasses if I pass. I'm waiting in line again to take my test. I'm talking to this lady, she can barely speak English. I don't even know why she works there, because I couldn't understand a word she was saying. She was all like, oh, you're here to take the test, right? I was like, yeah, for my permit. She was like, for your driver's license. And I was like, okay, yeah, like, whatever. And so, she's like, okay, go to number 16. And then there's, like, this freaking computer, and there's, like, borders or whatever. I'm like, okay. And then I went back, and I was like, wait, can I take the written test? She was like, yeah, just go to the computer. And so I'm like, okay, whatever. So I'm waiting at the computer, thinking I'm gonna get a test back. I didn't. I really didn't. I decided to give it a shot. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna take this for a little bit and see how it goes. I'll just ask. So, like, I start on it. I don't even answer one question on that thing. I pause the test because you're able to pause it, and it like resetted everything. And I was like, okay, like whatever. So I raised my hand because this girl was walking around, you know, she was like gonna answer questions for people, blah blah blah. So I go up to her, I'm like, hey, so like I asked that lady over there to take my written test instead of the online one. Can I do that? And she was like, yeah, just wait for a little bit. And I'm like, okay. So like I have high hopes, I'm all like excited, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get this done. I heard the written test was easy. I didn't get it. But you know what she said? She told me, oh, you can't take it because you already started on it. In my mind, I'm all like, girl, I literally, I'm so like sad, I'm like literally about to cry. And I'm just, on the outside, I'm like, okay, thank you. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna take this test because she told me if I don't take it, then I'm just gonna automatically fail. Literally praying to God, like, God, please let me pass. Please help me, hold my hand through this whole test. I start to count how many I miss. And as soon as I get to 5 missed questions, you know, I'm just like, okay, I'm not gonna count anymore. I'm just gonna do it because it like freaked me out. And I ended up losing track of how many I missed. I really like studied, okay? I was really like on top of that. And I probably missed like 15. I didn't know that like you couldn't even go on your phone after the test. So like I took it and I was waiting in line and I got yelled at for being on my phone. I was being really polite. I was like, oh my gosh, like I'm so sorry. Ew, that sounded so sarcastic. But when I say sorry, I sound sarcastic, but like I really mean it, okay? My whole face has to be set, like, because this foundation is not my shade at all. Actually, let's bake. Like, bake. I just should have listened to my gut and be like mean, but no. I used the Coty Airspun, and for concealer, I used the Maybelline Age Rewind, and then for another foundation, I used Clinique Super Balanced Silk Makeup, and I got it in number 10. Using the NYX Pro Contour and Highlight. But this brush is still low-key wet. Like, I don't even know if this is a good idea. It's not a good idea. That's a lot better. I wish my cheeks were like chiseled. Like, I really look like an emoji out here. I just need a new camera. Y'all remember that? I had a camera, you know, but she broke. I wonder if I'm bronzing too much. I want to get a septum. And that would probably make me look like a bull, but do I care? No, not really. When I was younger and I put on makeup, it looked like very bad. And then sometimes it looked like I didn't have makeup at all. I think blush makes me look like my makeup is more natural. I don't even think I look cakey, but you can tell like I have makeup on. I love blush and I don't care if I look like a clown. It's so cute, okay? So like shut up. Anyways, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna do my lashes and finish everything up. Hey guys, so I'm back and I put on the, I don't even know how to say this. I really don't. So that's what it is. In number 60, and these, let me just tell you, like, these lashes are heavy. Like, I wore them to school and I was, but they are the most natural lashes I have. So, all I did off camera was put on mascara, put on lashes, and I tight lined, and that's it. I didn't do liner, but I did do liner on the inner corners, so it looks like more blended, I guess. For lips today, oh, also I put on clear gel on my eyebrows. I used the e.l.f. one, and all this stuff for my eyes, like mascara and the tight line, I don't know what I used because the name's like rubbed off and stuff. But for lips today, I'm just gonna use what I always use. I'm using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Ibiza, so I can just have like a cute bit-in look. And show you guys my outfit in just a little bit. Okay, so I have my pants on, and I'm going to show you guys how I crop sweaters and jackets without cutting them. So what I do, I just wear a sports bra underneath, and I literally just tuck it in. Like, it's so easy. I just pull on the ends. I did this with a windbreaker, but it didn't really go well because windbreakers really just ain't it with sports bras. Really not. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!